Welcome all to the Color Crush Show. Come meet my friends. You'll be glad to know. Monster trucks like to learn, jump, and shout. Yeah! They'll show you colors as they drive about.
Yeah!
So look around, friends, and you'll quickly see, yeah! Colors are everywhere. I think you'll agree. Blue is the color of our great big sky. Yippee! Purple balloons for a party nearby.
Yeah!
Green is the grass.
Yippee!
Yellow is the moon. Tomatoes are red. Pink flowers in June. Look at the orange and brown carousel. White snow falls and covers the hills.
Yeah!
Black is the night. It gets hard to see. Perfect for rest and getting some sleep. The trucks want to take a colorful spin. Their engines have started. It's time to begin. They'll crush each color, one by one. Practice makes perfect,
Yeah!
So come join the fun. The blue truck is first and pounces on top. Purple is next, but makes a big plop. The green truck smashes all his letters down.
Yeah!
The yellow one flattens them right to the ground. Red goes sideways, but lands on her toes.
Yes!
The orange truck flips right onto his nose.
Oops!
Pink crushes perfect. She's so very proud.
Yeah!
Brown lands with a thump and then takes a bow.
Ta-da!
The white truck follows, squishing and squashing. The black truck goes last, crushing and smashing.
Woohoo!
The trucks love colors and performing for you.
Great job!
So they'll do it again, all the way through. The blue truck is first and pounces on top. Purple is next, but makes a big plop. The green truck smashes all his letters down. The yellow one flattens them right to the ground. Red goes sideways, but lands on her toes. The orange truck flips right onto his nose. Pink crushes perfect. She's so very proud. Brown lands with a thump and then takes a bow. The white truck follows, squishing and squashing. The black truck goes last, crushing and smashing.
Woohoo!
Practice makes perfect, as you will soon see. Yeah, let's watch them perform at great record speed. Blue pounds the letters, squishing each one. Purple is next and won't stop till he's done. The green truck always knows just what to do. The yellow one smashes them 2 by 2. Red truck has got her squashing just right. The orange truck pounces with all of his might. Pink mastered crushing, she's having a blast. Brown goes backwards when she goes past. White takes his turn, and there's one more to go. Black hits each letter and knocks them down low. So, let's review the colors, beginning with blue. Purple, green, yellow, red, and orange too. Now, don't forget pink, brown, white, and black. I think you have got it. It's time to relax. The monster trucks have finished their colorful show. You have learned 10 colors. Yes,
Yeah!
10 in a row. Practice makes perfect, as you already know. Never give up, and you'll be the star of the show.
I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Don't you hear the whistle blowing so early, early in the morning? Don't you hear the captain shouting? Gigglebelly, blow your horn. Doo-doo. Oh, gigglebelly blow, gigglebelly blow, gigglebelly blow your horn, your horn. Toot-toot-toot, choo-choo-choo, gigglebelly blow your horn. Singing bee-ba-billa-oh, bee-ba-billa-oh, bee-ba-billa-oh. Strumming on my toy banjo. Riding on the railroad every single day. Oh, I love riding on the railroad with the giggle-belly train. When you hear his engine humming, it's time to get on board. And when you hear his whistle blowing, let's all sing some more. Doo-doo. Oh, gigglebelly blow, gigglebelly blow, gigglebelly blow your horn, your horn. Toot-toot-toot, choo-choo-choo, gigglebelly blow your horn. Singing bee-ba-billa-oh, bee-ba-billa-oh, bee-ba-billa-oh. Strumming on my toy banjo. Gigglebelly blow, gigglebelly blow, gigglebelly blow your horn, your horn. Toot-toot-toot, choo-choo-choo, gigglebelly blow your horn. Singing bee-ba-billa-oh, bee-ba-billa-oh, bee-ba-billa-oh. Strumming on my toy banjo.
White fluffy clouds scatter the sky, all different shapes in every size. Look up to the sky and you might find the clouds become what's on your mind. I see a dinosaur, I see an elephant, I see a monkey. What do you see? Imagine white fluffy clouds move slowly about, changing their shapes day in and day out. Look up to the sky and you might find the clouds become what's on your mind. I see a butterfly, I see a caterpillar, I see a bumblebee. What do you see? Imagine yourself on a cloud so high, floating around. imagine. I see a kangaroo, I see a polar bear, I see a puppy. What do you see? I see a lion, I see a dolphin, I see a penguin. Imagine, imagine a cloud is whatever you wish. Just think to yourself and imagine it. Imagine.
It's a giggle belly party, so come with me. We're gonna sing a song and learn about our ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X, Y, Z. Here at the Giggle Belly Party, we like to sing and learn about the letters in our ABCs. This time we'll sing it all together. Get on your feet. Let's hear you sing a song about our ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's break it down. Clap your hands and stomp your feet to the Giggle Belly beat. Let's break it down. It's time to meet our friends and hear about the letters that make them grin. Bucky gets a kick out of the letter B. Piggles tickle pink about the letter P. Quacka couldn't quack without the letter Q. M is for moo that Kissy Moo can do. R is for ribbit, says Fribbit's the frog. Teeny spins a T in her web on a log. Nanas is bananas for the letter N. Peanut loves them all, 'cause they're all his friends. Let's sing them all together from A to Z. Then pick your favorite letter. What will it be? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X, Y, Z. Here at the Giggle Belly Party, we like to sing and learn about the letters from A to Z. So when we get together, get on your feet. Come join the fun with the Giggle Belly. I know a busy bumblebee that likes to buzz around, pollinating flowers as he flies from town to town. He is yellow and black, with 2 wings on his back, and always buzzing around. So everybody say B-U-M-B-L-E-B-E-E. That's how you spell bumblebee. That's it! B-U-M-B-L-E-B-E-E. Oh, it's fun to say bumblebee. 6 legs, 2 antennas, 2 eyes to see, a tiny little brain, but still the smartest bee. He never stops moving, there's just too much to do, 'cause he's a busy bumblebee. Now everybody say B-U-M-B-L-E-B-E-E. That's how you spell bumblebee. You got it! B-U-M-B-L-E-B-E-E. Oh, it's fun to say bumblebee. Well, he's fuzzy and furry, and always in a hurry, making lots of buzz sounds. Oh, busy, busy bumblebee, do you think he ever sleeps? Now let's all buzz around. Buzz, 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 buzz. Buzz, 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 buzz. B-U-M-B-L-E-B-E-E. That's how you spell bumblebee. B-U-M-B-L-E-B-E-E. Oh, it's fun to say bumblebee. Buzz, 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 buzz.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O-E-O. And on his farm he had a cow named Kissy Moo, E-I-E-I-O-E-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere Kissy Moos. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O-E-O. Come on, let's clap and dance and have some fun. E-I-E-I-O-E-O. Everybody clap, dance, and sing along. Alright, that's it. E-I-E-I-O-E-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O-E-O. And on his farm he had a duck named Quacka, E-I-E-I-O-E-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere quack-a-quacks. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O-E-O. Come on, let's clap and dance and have some fun. E-I-E-I-O-E-O. Everybody clap, dance, and sing along. E-I-E-I-O-E-O. And on his farm he had a sheep named Betty, E-I-E-I-O-E-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere Betty ba's. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O-E-O. Come on, let's clap, dance, and have some fun. E-I-E-I-O-E-O. Everybody clap, dance, and sing along. E-I-E-I-O-E-O. And on his farm he had a pig named Pickles, E-I-E-I-O-E-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere Pickles oinks. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O-E-O. Come on, let's clap, dance, and have some fun. E-I-E-I-O-E-O. Everybody clap, dance, and sing along. And on his farm he had a horse named Bucky, E-I-E-I-O-E-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere Bucky neighs. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O-E-O. Come on, let's clap, dance, and sing along. E-I-E-I-O-E-O. And on his farm he had a frog named Fribbits, E-I-E-I-O-E-O. With a fribbit ribbit here and a fribbit ribbit there, here a ribbit, there a ribbit, everywhere fribbit ribbits. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O-E-O. With a moo moo here and a quack quack there, and an oink oink here and a ba ba there, and a neigh neigh here and a ribbit ribbit there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O-E-O.